A faulty camshaft position sensor can cause various issues in a vehicle's performance and can trigger the check engine light. Here are 7 common symptoms of a faulty camshaft position sensor. Check engine light. One of the primary indications of a problem with the camshaft position sensor is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard. The vehicle's onboard diagnostic system will detect irregularities in the sensor signal and trigger the warning light. Engine misfires. A faulty camshaft position sensor can lead to incorrect timing of fuel injection and ignition, resulting in engine misfires. This can cause the engine to run rough, produce reduced power, and may lead to poor fuel efficiency. Hard starting or stalling. If the camshaft position sensor is not providing accurate data to the engine control unit, ECU, it can lead to difficulty starting the engine or even sudden stalling while driving. Rough idling. The camshaft position sensor's job is to provide the ECU with information about the camshaft's position and speed. When the sensor is malfunctioning, the engine may experience rough idling due to incorrect fuel delivery and timing. Decreased fuel efficiency. A faulty camshaft position sensor can disrupt the fuel injection and spark timing, leading to inefficient combustion. This inefficiency can cause reduced fuel mileage and increased emissions. Loss of power. If the camshaft position sensor is providing inaccurate data to the ECU, the engine may lose power and struggle to accelerate properly, especially at higher speeds or under load. Hesitation or surging. Erratic signals from the camshaft position sensor can result in hesitation or surging during acceleration or deceleration. The engine may feel like it's surging forward or holding back unexpectedly. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose the problem accurately and replace the faulty camshaft position sensor if necessary. Ignoring a faulty sensor can lead to more severe issues and potential damage to other engine components.